Shorter ball. It's a true bounce now on this occasion. He pulls that away.
The strokes that he plays. Look at that. Sublime. Further outside the leg stump.
It's a no ball and has been treated like one. It's been put away for a boundary. It was too full. That's a good ball. It's been hit away. That's well played. There he comes down the wicket. That's a shot he's created. And again, the minute he came down, he's got the line of the ball covered.
And opening up the body so he can access the offside. This is a good shot.
Straight. Straight as you like. He likes playing that. He's usually very comfortable playing it in the wee.
A backward square leg, cow corner now on the boundary on the leg side.
And he's beaten that fielder at gully.
He knows that if he just gets it past any of those fielders on the offside field, he's going to get a boundary. He's done just that.
Full toss. Put away for a boundary.
In a different stance, more open stance that gives him that liberty to play on the leg side without falling over. A different technique for Benkenstein.
Oh, does he get this all the way? Fine leg up.
Coming right at his head. And he plays it so well. Excellent execution.
Well, Abdullah tried that in the first over. Oh, he gets it in the gap. It's a good shot from Luke Benkenstein. It wasn't a poor delivery, really.
Archie going with the googly again, but it was well read by Benkenstein.
There's that reverse sweep. He's had a little bit of luck. He's already scored his highest score so far, and it's got even higher.
And you said it right, he was lucky. It could have easily gone onto the stumps.
That's a lovely shot. That is such a good shot.
Just look at that. Quite still, the eyes were quite still even while he was using his feet.
Again, does he get it in the gap? No. Just picks out. I know why you're upset. And the Warriors will take the first wicket.
One too many. He played a really good shot the previous delivery. This time wanted to go to the other gap.
That's out. Absolutely plumb.
The start of another collapse. Archie Lenham coming closer to the stumps. It was plumb in front. It didn't.
Let's have a look at this again. Worry about where it pitches. That doesn't matter. It's where it hits. And I'm telling you now, that is as plumb can be. There's that reverse sweep again. And he gets all of this. Is he going to push on all the way? This is huge.
And this is how you make the bowler bowl to what you want to bowl. He has been reverse sweeping them, not thinking that he's going to come down and hit it straight.
Now there's the wrong one. Plenty of bounce that time. We'll have to wait and see if there was any connection. It certainly bounced a long, long way. A very good shot. One bounce.
There's a man who's sweeping on the offside. He's hit it well in front of him.
Standard leg spinner that time. Again, it's driven. Slightly over pitch. A good indication that the surface is good. We've seen a scramble back for the second.
I think he could be in trouble here. Zulkifil, he's decided to come back for two. I don't know why. Yeah, confirmation well out of his crease. Going wild, scoring it over 10 and over. You've got 14 in the over already.
Outstanding. Absolutely outstanding. Beautifully played. The important thing about that is he didn't try and hit it too hard. It was just steered.
Flatter, quicker delivery. Just deflected into the gap between those two men behind point. That's well played.
So lovely shot as well, and that's gone for four. Lovely little bit of a two-step, and he gets it through the covers for four.
He's had to pierce those two fielders in that offside. He's done it well. Benkenstein looking good. Moves on to 74.
Again, yes and no. This should be out. And the throw is way too high.
Just terrible calling. A person who has been in form, he's batting so well, you call yes and then you send him back. But he has to walk back because he has been given out. He was out of his crease.
Nice looking shot in the gap.
Rises with the bounce, plays it on the top, back foot punch.
Good shot. The sound of it tells you you don't need to look where it's going.
Arafat Minhas showing the range of his shots. The last one to the offside, this time to the leg side. A little falter in the length.
Shuffles across and throws his hands on it. Another boundary.
And this is where you see some intelligent batting. He's using the crease well. He knows where the fielders are. The third has come up and he uses the crease to come in front of the stumps.
Catch it is the call. You heard that and it's taken.
Game, and he has been quite handy with the ball. Very well supported by George Thomas on the boundary.
Runs here. He's got the gap. He's found it to perfection.
Haseeb Nazim did really well to put bat on it. Pierced that gap really well.
Gone. Well,
He's taken his decision back.
inside edge. That will be 4. It's okay. That's count. Shot. That's a good shot.
For someone who has come at number 7, up and over. Such a good contact.
Gone.
Much before. Just look at that length. It's really short, but directed right at the stumps. Very flat.
That should be out. That's got to be out. Yes, it is. Yes, that is middle off. And hits him on the knee row.
Now we see the impact. Definitely the impact was right in front of the stumps. No bat involved. Imran Javed, the umpire, getting it right.
And gone. 3 wickets in the over.
And just look at the length. This is the length he has been teasing the batters with. It's really short and quite flat. Good catching also. The batters use the feet. He watches the batter and then adjusts the length.